Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic I'm passionate about: achieving natural beauty with minimal makeup every day. We all want to look and feel our best, and minimal makeup helps us do that. This is about enhancing your natural features with just a few key products. First, skincare. This is the foundation of any great look. A consistent skincare routine is key. Start with a gentle cleanser. Apply a serum that addresses your concerns, like hydration or anti-aging. Moisturize. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin. Always apply sunscreen. This is crucial. Next, the products. The goal is to use minimal products. A tinted moisturizer or BB cream is a great alternative to foundation. They provide light coverage. A concealer can conceal blemishes or dark circles. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone or is slightly lighter. For eyes, a brow gel or pencil is key. A touch of mascara can open up your eyes. Opt for a natural-looking mascara. For color, a cream blush is perfect. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend. Lip balm or a tinted lip balm will keep your lips hydrated. Application techniques are important. Blend, blend, blend. Use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush to blend everything. Start with a small amount of product and build it up. For concealer, apply it in a triangle shape under your eyes and blend. When applying blush, smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. For lips, apply lip balm or tinted lip balm directly. Here are some extra tips. First, find your perfect shade match. Second, embrace your imperfections. Minimal makeup enhances your natural features. Third, experiment to find what works for you. Everyone's skin is different. Finally, focus on skincare. Good skin means less makeup. Achieving natural beauty with minimal makeup is about embracing your natural features, using the right products, and perfecting your techniques. Remember, less is often more. Embrace your beauty. Thanks for watching.